What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Cash checking in with another video. And today I'm going to show y'all how to change the oil on an Audi. In this video, I'm going to be working on an Audi A6 Avant wagon, 3.2 liter. For the most part, it should be pretty consistent for most Audis with the drain bolt underneath, hex bolt. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and jack up the vehicle just to give yourself a little bit more clearance to be able to get to the drain bolt. The drain bolt on this vehicle, if you walk around to the front, is actually going to be right here on the passenger side. So what you go ahead and do after you have your vehicle all jacked up is if you got a roller, you can go ahead and roll under there, but make sure you got enough room. So now when you get under here, now what you're gonna want to do is you want to go ahead and try to find this hex bolt right here, this hex bolt. And as you can see, I got oil leaking, so that means that I'm probably gonna have to get a new washer for this. And they actually recommend that you change out the washer every time you get an oil change. So now what I'm going to have to do is, now that I've located where my drain bolt is, I'm going to go ahead and get my pan ready. And I'm going to go ahead and get the hex bolt as well as my 3H wrench ready. All right, y'all, we back and we have the H6. So the H6 is going to be the size of the drain bolt. I mean, you can play around with the Allen keys and all that good stuff, but me personally, I'm gonna just go ahead and grab the right tool so I can go ahead and get the job done. As I said earlier, make sure that you have your drain pan in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide that over. And so for my vehicle, there's probably not gonna be too much oil coming out, but we're gonna go ahead and get this process started anyway. So as I said, go ahead, put that in there, push it all the way up in there. So there's levels to it, so push it all the way up in there so you make sure that you don't strip it when you put a little power on it. Make sure your thing is on lefty loosey, righty tighty, and then after that, let's get it going. Let's get it. Boom. So as you can see, I already broke it loose. After you broke it loose, honestly, you can remove the tool. If you're not scared to get your hands dirty in this motherfucker, then hey, now it's time to get your hands dirty, you dig? So now, go ahead, grab that drain bolt with your hands. Boom, untwist it. Boom. You see the oil oozing out? Boom. And as I said, I already drained my oil. I just wanted to go ahead and show the next person how to get this done. But I'm going to go ahead and let this drip for a little bit longer because this shit black as fuck. And I don't want none of this in there. None of this in my block when I go ahead and put that Mobile One in there. And also, I definitely recommend using Mobile One. Mobile One is top of the line for these vehicles. And it'll definitely keep your vehicle running right. As I told y'all from the beginning, I'm going to give y'all the tricks and tips to make sure. And like I was just saying, for the most part, Mobile One is pretty much your go-to go-ahead. You want to make sure you put that Mobile One in there to make sure your Audi's running as strong as possible. As I told y'all in the beginning, I'm going to keep giving y'all the tricks and tips to make sure your Audi stay running decent, as well as keep it at an affordable price. I know we like to ride foreign, but at the same time, sometimes these motherfuckers hit us. I used to be paying like $120 for an oil change before I literally jacked up this car and got up underneath there and figured out where my drain bolt is. Just like my Chevy, man. Just like my Chevy. And that's where a lot of people be sleep. Kind of like I was saying, a lot of people think that just because you have a foreign car that you can't work on it. Shit, get your motherfucking hands dirty a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And really dig in and see if you're able to get your shit done. And that's what all it takes. But if you get tired of paying somebody else $120, when all you gotta do is go to AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advanced Auto, Napa, or something like that, and grab some oil and a filter and get that shit done yourself, shit, why not? Save you a little bit of money. Now with this money, I'm gonna be able to take the fam out. We about to go to MOA and have a motherfucking ball, you know what I'm saying? That's just because I saved a couple dollars on the oil change. I could have easily paid these niggas to do it, but I'd rather do that shit myself and learn something new. And with that being said, your boy said, checking out. Hood rich, all my